Okay, here we are on the 342, the Feelin Naughty purchase. Let me tell you, when you buy somebody else's neglect, of course you always hope for the best, but sometimes that's not how it goes. So after months and months of getting this mechanically sound, the interior smells so bad you can't be in here. So we are gutting the entire interior. Carpet's out already. A lot of the upholstery's out. We still got the headliners to come out. We got the boat dry as it can be. We got a run dry bilge pump in there, but look at all this mold. That's just what you can see. Mold, mold, mold everywhere. Behind those cabinets, behind that stuff. Mold, mold, mold in the headliner. Mold behind all this stuff. This has all got to come out. There's some remnants carpet back there. It's got to come out. Carpet over there has to come out. Mold, mold, mold. Even a little bit of mold stinks. See that mold behind there? That's why this has all got to come out. Every bit of this is going to get replaced. Look at that mold up there. That's a lot of that whole anchor compartment is molded because some genius let the anchor locker drain into that cavity and then blocked off that cavity so it can't drain down underneath the bottom of the boat, under the floor where I cut a hole, all the way to the back to a bilge pump to be pumped out. Some young entrepreneur did that. Look at this, around the skylights, mold, filth, and dirt. Even this bathroom wall is going to come out. All of this. This cushion, although the vinyl looks good, there's a good possibility that the foam behind it is contaminated with mold. So all of this vinyl that's reusable, we'll reuse it after cleaning it inside, backside, and front side. And then we'll replace all the foam. Any wood, we'll have this disassembled. It'll be outside. This cabinet is ready to go outside already. It's not bolted in anymore. That cabinet is almost ready to come out. They're going to get this stuff ready to come out. Toilet's leaking. Somebody replaced the toilet. It's leaking. That's not good. We've already mold sprayed up inside of here. It's pretty clean, but it needs a little more thorough cleaning. Anyway, what a damn shame. It's a lot of money and a lot of time. This is probably $10,000 to $15,000 of damage at this point, just to get this interior going. So I'm not happy about that, but you buy a used boat, especially one like this that had water in it. God only knows how long the water was sitting here. Probably a couple of years based on what I see. So it honestly held up pretty good for a couple of years, but now it's time to be refurbished. There's so much material out of this boat right now that this boat is sitting 2 inches higher in the water. That's how much stuff we've taken out of here already. This is some of the stuff we see. Mold in the carpet, see that? But I guarantee you, when we're done with this tub, it may not be perfect, but it's going to be damn close to perfect. Because really, it's a great boat. I mean, it drives good, it looks good, it's fun. But you can see here, the water line, we're up about 2 inches just by pulling the interior out. Crazy. Anyway, it's a beautiful day out here in this area today. I don't know what to call this area, honestly. Anyhow, just thought I'd share with everybody the boat drama. Sure does stink in here. Problem is, you go in here for just a little bit and it smells so bad even right here that when you leave, it's in your clothes, it's in your, it's in your sinuses, and you smell it for freaking hours. So this is all going by every freaking bit of it. Hope everybody else is enjoying their Sunday.